Are you tired of manually opening and copying passwords from your secrets files, especially when you're managing multiple applications across different regions? Imagine you have several SOPS encrypted files for each application and region, and every time you need a database password, you open the file, manually scroll, copy the password, and paste it elsewhere. It's repetitive and time-consuming, especially when you have to manage secrets for various environments. There has to be a better way, right? Well, there is. The trick: instead of manually opening the SOPS file and copying the secrets, you can use the editor equals cat trick with SOPS to print the decrypted content. You can then pipe it to a tool like YAML for YAML files to extract exactly what you need, such as a database password. This saves you from manually navigating through the file, allowing you to copy the password directly to your clipboard. For JSON files, you could use JQ, but for this video, we'll focus on the YAML example. Here's an example of a YAML secrets file that's encrypted with SOPS. In this case, the password is nested under app.db password. Now, let's see how you can automate the process of retrieving this password with a single command. You can use the following command to extract the password directly from the encrypted YAML file using SOPS and YAML. Here's how you can do it for different operating systems. In these commands, this opens the encrypted file using SOPS, and cat prints the decrypted content directly to the terminal. Extracts the value of the password from the nested YAML structure. Automatically copies the extracted password to your clipboard, depending on your operating system. With this simple trick, you no longer need to open each secrets file manually, search for the password, and copy it. You can get it in a single step. And that's it. By using editor equals cat with SOPS, combined with YAML, you can automate the extraction of secrets like database passwords and copy them directly to your clipboard. No more repetitive manual work. Whether you're working with multiple applications or environments, this trick will save you time and reduce the chance of mistakes. If you're interested in seeing how we used a similar trick to connect to a MySQL database, check out our previous video here. Stay tuned for more DevOps automations and tips. Happy coding!